I ain't got a clue, bro.
So what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, what is it for this girl? What is love?
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I hear you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever.
Face steamer. Benefits: opens pores for deep cleansing, hydrates skin, and enhances product absorption. How often? Use once a week, especially before applying masks or dermaplaning. Turmeric and kojic acid face wash. Benefits: brightens, fades dark spots, and gently cleanses impurities. How often? Use daily, morning and evening. Panoxyl acne foaming wash. Benefits: kills acne-causing bacteria, unclogs pores, and reduces inflammation. How often? Use up to 3 times a week, preferably in the evening. Ground coffee and honey mask with vitamin E. Benefits: exfoliates, brightens, and hydrates skin while delivering antioxidants and nourishing vitamin E. How often? Use once a week as a gentle exfoliating treatment. Snail Mucin Power Essence during or immediately after dermaplaning can significantly enhance its absorption, making your skin feel deeply hydrated and revitalized. When you dermaplane, you're removing the dead skin cells and peach fuzz from the surface of your skin. The essence's repair properties help soothe and heal any minor irritation or sensitivity caused by the dermaplaning process. Here's why it works well together. 1. Hydration. The essence helps lock in moisture after dermaplaning, preventing the skin from feeling dry or tight. 2. Skin repair. It is known for its ability to promote skin regeneration. Applying it after dermaplaning can help accelerate the skin's natural healing process. 3. Enhanced absorption. Since dermaplaning removes the top layer of dead skin, your skin will be more receptive to the active ingredients in the essence. Turmeric clay mask benefits. Detoxifies skin, reduces redness, absorbs excess oil, and brightens complexion. How often? Use 2 times a week after cleansing. Collagen Anti-Aging Gel Mask benefits, hydrates and plumps skin, temporarily reduces fine lines, and improves elasticity. How often? Use 2 to 3 times a week, alternating with the clay mask. Steaming face towel benefits, opens pores, relaxes muscles, and preps skin for treatments. Dickinson's Rose Water Toner benefits, balances pH, tightens pores, and hydrates skin while soothing irritation. Peptide 6 times Wrinkle Erase Serum benefits, boosts collagen, enhances elasticity, smooths fine lines, and repairs skin. How often? Use daily, morning and evening after toning. Vitamin C Serum benefits, brightens complexion, reduces hyperpigmentation, and stimulates collagen production. How often? Use daily in the morning after serum. Snail Mucin Power Essence benefits, deeply hydrates, repairs the skin barrier, and promotes collagen for smoother, plumper skin. How often? Use daily, morning and evening after cleansing. Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream benefits, locks in moisture, smooths texture, and boosts hydration for dewy skin. How often? Use daily, morning and evening after serum. 24K Gold Eye Mask benefits, reduces puffiness, hydrates, smooths fine lines around the eyes, and brightens dark circles. How often? Use 3 to 4 times a week or as needed. Ice Facial Roller benefits, reduces puffiness and inflammation, tightens pores, boosts circulation, calms redness, and provides a natural glow. Enhances product absorption. How often? Use daily, morning or evening after cleansing and before applying other products. Gua Sha benefits, reduces puffiness, improves circulation, and promotes lymphatic drainage for sculpted features. How often? Use 3 to 4 times a week after applying essence or moisturizer. This routine is packed with beneficial steps.
brick, you know that. Control don't slow the pace if I throw back all this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy with a bit of sunlight. Can you kiss me, boy? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh.
What's up, everybody? It is nail day. I went ahead and did my refill on my acrylic nails. So I was kind of playing around with a little bit of my nail designs just to see, like, and get an idea of what I wanted to do. I was playing around with the tortoise design. I really like this. The tortoise is really gonna be the main factor of these nails. It's a freestyle, so we're gonna freestyle it and just come up with something kind of cute. Let's have some fun with these nails. So this is a set of nails that I ended up doing and that we're gonna go ahead and recreate on the other hand. So we're gonna start by doing white French nails on the pinky and the thumb. I went ahead and did the thumb first, and just really make sure that you take your time with these lines. And then for the middle finger, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw a line straight across to make everything symmetrical, and then we're gonna go ahead and create a smile line, and then we're gonna create, I guess, an upside down smile line. I'm just gonna make sure that I fill in everything around that area, and that's what's gonna give us this cute retro look. We're gonna cure that, and then we're gonna go in and paint our index finger with this beautiful like caramel color that I created, mixing the brown, white, and some clear polish. I painted the full nail for the pointer finger, and then for the ring finger we did the French with the caramel color. And then you see me go ahead and placing a base top coat on, and then we're just going to go in with the dark brown and just add in some basically kind of like squiggle circles. They don't have to be perfect. The less the perfect is, the better. I'm going to do about 5 or 6 of them, and then we're going to place them on the tips of the Frenchies as well. Once we're done with that, we're going to cure that, and then we're going to add another layer of base coat, and we're going to follow these same exact steps, but we're going to do it with black polish next. And that's what's going to give us that tortoise, that 3D, that 3-dimensional design here. And that black just makes everything pop out for the nail design. Making sure everything looks good. We're gonna go ahead and pop that into the light. And then for the middle finger, I'm gonna go ahead and just outline where we did the caramel color in the brown, just to give it a line of separation, make everything stand out. Clean it up, make sure it's perfect, cure it real quick, and voila, that is the base for the nails. Now we're going to go ahead and add some gem glue, so we can go ahead and add the gold caviar beads, and I believe we added like a pearl stone to the middle fingers. So I just played around with it until I liked where the positioning of the beads were, and then once we get it how we like it, we are going to cure it. So we're almost done with the nail design. What we need to do lastly is go ahead with the 3D gel, and we're just gonna go ahead and make a couple of those squiggles going down the side of the nail. I just did 2 on each side, cure those, and then I'm gonna go on top of it with a black polish with some top coat, and that's just gonna allow that chrome powder to stick to the nails. And just be very careful with that part. I made sure that I only got it on the 3D part, the part that I only want the chrome to touch. Just be very careful. And we're gonna cure that for about 30 seconds, going with the chrome powder. And even though this is sped up, I took my time just to make sure I actually didn't get it on any other areas of the nail. And if you do, just clean it up. Now we're going to finish off with our top coats, make everything poppin'. For the 3D chrome nails though, I would say to cure those twice because sometimes that chrome rubs off. So just to double protect it, just do 2 layers, and then once we're done, we're going to go in with some cuticle oil. And voila, these were my nails for Thanksgiving. They came out so cute.